Hey guys, my name is Danish and welcome back to my channel, and today I have a new purchase that I have made and it is an interesting one, so let's just get started with the video. So this is the Boat 1200 Bluetooth speaker. So the Boat Stone, it's a heavy thing. I'm gonna put that aside for now. Actually, if you can't see this, I'll just use this box as a platform. Okay, this is a hefty thing. So it is a Boat Stone 1200 with a 14-watt speaker system with IPX7 rating and 9 hours of playback. It says hopefully we get that much. 360-degree ergonomic sound, Type-C user interface, which is really important, and it can be connected through Bluetooth 5.0, auxiliary cable, USB and FM radio. So hopefully this is an interesting unboxing. It is a hefty thing, but let's see what's inside. And this is the first time I'm opening it and on camera, so whatever I am seeing right now, I'm seeing it for the first time. It has LEDs in it too. Cool. Let's play with all of that soon. Always be safe with safety razors. Okay, that's the sleeve. A box within a box. Okay, double set. Ooh, looks interesting. So let's start with the accessories first. We have this full baggie with what I can see is a warranty message. Lakme Fashion Week. Okay, this is a blurb of all of the things that they have, from headphones to speakers to all their celebrity endorsements. That's unnecessary. Okay, the manual. Okay, portable speaker. Okay, all the button systems. This is something important that I have to sit and read through completely. Hopefully it has some charge in it so I can try it out. Continuing on, we have a USB-A to Type-C cable. We have a auxiliary cable 3.5mm to 3.5mm and a bunch of straps which I presume are going to be attached to the speaker. Oh yeah, I can see some hooks over here that you can carry it as a shoulder strap. That's an interesting addition. Okay, let's move on to the main. Okay, this is a bit of a handful, literally. Oh, that's just an empty box with nothing else inside. Foamies to protect the speaker. We don't need those. Oh, the speaker is so huge and the plastic is slippery. Okay, plastic bag goes out. Okay, damn. The driver moves about. So we have a flap here for the charging, auxiliary and USB connection. On one side we have the Boat logo on top, which is probably the start on and off switch. We have a microphone button, play, pause, increase and decrease volume. One thing that looks like an infinity symbol, which I have to look into. Play, pause. Mode button. Okay, you can change modes using the mode button. Okay, hopefully this has some charge in it. I'm gonna put all the accessories to the side for now and try to switch it on. Hopefully I can pair it up. How to pair it up? Power on, long press for 3 seconds. Pairing, auto pairing mode, Bluetooth LED starts flashing. Okay, so I have an iPad right here that I can use. I've done a video on this. If you want to check it out, you can go and check it out up here. But yeah, so the iPad is on. Hopefully this powers on. I'll keep it like this so you can see. Ooh. Oh. Hey. Look at the LEDs at the side and at the top, which is the notification light. I'll have some B-roll of this because this is looking beautiful. Okay, so it is in Bluetooth mode on 1200. It is connected. Okay. So let's test out a video here. Let's see if I'll play my video as well. Galaxy S20 FE and the Vivo X70 Pro both get +1 point for having selfie 4K recording capabilities. Now this is something that the companies are starting to learn more and more of. Okay, I'll try out a song that I want to check out just to see how the audio is. Okay, that is really impressive. I can go up to about 80% volume before there's some distortion kicking in and a bit of the top end losing out a bit, but it is a really big sound from this package, and it has to be really big because it's so huge with passive radiators and 17 watts worth of speakers in there. It's really loud, and from what I've just heard over here, it's not bad actually. Yeah, the iPad at max volume cannot match the amount of depth this is providing, and you already know that the iPad Pros have really good sound with the 4 speakers on 2 sides. Just the sheer girth of this gives a lot more richer detail and a lot more depth and oomph to the music, and hopefully you had some sort of music playing for you guys, because all this is copyrighted content that I cannot play for you, but this I'm just checking it out with the songs that I know really well, that I have heard a lot and enjoyed with my Audio Technicas, which are really detailed and crisp, and this is not too far off, if I can say so, from my limited usage. I will have another video on the long-term usage of this with the battery life, with the LEDs on, off, and all the modes that we have used and explored, and charging times, and how long this will last with me. So I guess that's the end of this video. If you like this video, give this video a like, get subscribed to my channel, and ring the bell icon to receive notifications of all of my future videos. If you have any comments or doubts about this device, you can just put them in the comment section below, and I'll try to help you out and answer from whatever I have experienced. And as always, the link will be in the description below for if you want to buy this device, and this is an affiliate link, so I will get a kickback if you buy this device from the link below. So that will be a way of you supporting the channel and hopefully helping me make more videos like this. And as always, stay home, stay safe. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Peace.